Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here we have beautiful 2014 Prius V. I just did an engine oil and filter change, and what needs to be done is reset the maintenance system. We don't want to owner keep driving around with that maintenance light, which I will show right now where it is. So I'm using the power button. There is that maintenance required. If I start a vehicle, which is right now, you can see it is still lit. So the steps to get rid of it, to reset it for another 5,000 miles, this is what I recommend. Despite the fact it's full synthetic oil and so on, I want them to come back for an exchange at 5,000 miles. I will show you how to deal with it. So the first, you need to change the odometer, which is right here in the A1, trip A1. So that's right here. If I push that, I'm in the trip A, sorry. Now I will shut off the whole vehicle, turn it off, you can see. And now while holding this button, you will reset the data. So holding this and putting the vehicle on, you see how it's flashing, and down here are these lines. And now it's these zeros, and now it's reset. So now the system was reset. I can return it for the owner where they had it. They had it in the odometer, not A, no B. One more time, it's odometer, and the whole procedure is finished. Now I can shut it off or just drive it away from my shop. Yeah, and you can see that pesky orange light is gone, and it said it will come on after another 5,000 miles. So that was another quick helpful video on this Toyota maintenance channel for you. Make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.